it is okay for you to make these calls, right? Because you're not being salesy, you're not being pushy, you're not being manipulative. You can call people on the holidays and just say, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand and let you know I'm out here. It's not a pushy call. It's getting yourself out of obscurity, right? Like if everybody, all of us know Rolf, but if everybody on planet EARTH knew Rolf, what he was doing, what his skill sets were, how he could potentially help them, and that he has a knowledge base and was open to talk to them, whether they're a client or not, he would have more business than he could handle, right? But unfortunately, we act like we're on a gosh darn dating app, and we try and force things on people. Slow the hell down, right? And even in a bad day, you guys should be able to put your head on the pillow at night and say, man, I did good today. Like 30 people know who I am.